Hey y'all, I'm Dr. Brittany and I'm head of community here at Self. Today, I want to talk about something that's really important when it comes to understanding how your credit works, and that's how and when your credit activity is reported. Now, I know that may sound a little technical, but stick with me because this is one of those things that can help you better understand why you see updates on your credit report when you do, and how that reporting can impact your credit building journey. Progress on your credit report comes from activity like making payments, lowering balances, or keeping accounts in good standing. But that activity only shows up when your lender or financial institution reports it to the credit bureaus. And that reporting, when it happens, makes all the difference in what you see. Cycle-based reporting. Traditionally, major credit card companies use something called cycle-based reporting. That means they send updates to the credit bureaus on a fixed schedule, typically once a month, often right after your statement closes. So if your statement closes on the 15th, that's usually around the time they'll send updated information like your balance or payment status to the credit bureaus. It's a system that's been around for decades. It's predictable, but it also means if you make a positive change like paying down your balance, you might not see that reflected on your report until the next reporting cycle. Trigger-based reporting. Now, let's talk about something newer, trigger-based reporting. Instead of waiting for a set date each month, trigger-based reporting is based on activity. So when you make a payment and it's processed successfully, that triggers the update. It's like sending a quick signal to the credit bureaus that says, hey, this customer made a payment. Here's the latest info. At Self, we've introduced trigger-based reporting because we know consistency and activity are what drive progress in your credit journey. Now, it's not instant. Reporting still takes time to process, but it allows positive activity to be reported sooner, often within about 5 days after a payment clears. Keep in mind that there are regulatory requirements for accurately reporting credit information. This does include late payments and missed payments, which means if a payment is late or missed altogether, it will still be reported to the bureaus. So why does this matter? Because reporting frequency affects when you see your progress. Think of it like this. Cycle-based reporting is like getting a monthly progress report from school. You get all of your updates once every few weeks. Trigger-based reporting, on the other hand, is like getting smaller, more frequent checks. You're still doing the same good work, but you can see those updates appear sooner, helping you track your consistency. And remember, it's not the reporting itself that changes your score. It's the activity being reported, your payments, your balances, your habits. Reporting is just how that activity gets shared. Here's what's important to understand. Every company is different. Some companies use cycle-based reporting, others may use trigger-based, and both serve the same purpose, to show the bureaus your financial activity. For many credit card companies, you can often find reporting details in your online account, monthly statement, or call your issuer if that information isn't listed or you can't locate it. If you're with Self, I have good news. We use trigger-based reporting, which means your activity is automatically shared after your payment is successfully processed. Knowing when your information is reported can help you plan your payments and manage your utilization wisely. So whether your account reports once a month or every time you make a payment, remember, your positive activity creates progress. Keep making those on-time payments, keep your balances low, and keep showing consistency. At Self, our goal is to make that process simpler, clearer, and a little faster so you can see positive actions show up on your credit journey. Thanks for watching, y'all. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more credit education and visit self.inc to learn more about how Self helps you build your credit with confidence.